Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this series, we will look into the code generation workflow that is being used in any model-based design. First, we will see the overview, like what workflow usually is being followed. Then we will see what is the need of code generation, and then we will see what is a sample time and how it is going to impact the model that we have. Then we will see the V model, like how and in which workflow the code generation is being followed. And subsequently, we will see the development of the code or the model from a requirement document. So sequentially, we will cover all these concepts, which is the core idea of the series that we are having. As you can see, it is divided into multiple parts. Like first part is around the development part and second part is around the testing part. So let's start on this tutorial series and have a look into the details of how these things are being done and implemented in actual fields. Thank you to be connected in the series and to be connected with the channel. I hope you will enjoy this particular series and share your feedback also in the comment section. In case you have any suggestions or any ideas, please post it in the comment. We have received a good amount of likes to the channel and it is inspiring us to build more innovative videos. So stay connected and keep learning MATLAB and stay subscribed so that you will not miss any update from the channel and it will help you to grow. So happy learning MATLAB and stay connected. We will start this series with all these things in the next tutorial, and I hope it will give you a good insight on how the development workflow works in MATLAB and how the testing workflow works in MATLAB. We will also see the details of the code generation, like how to generate a code and all those things in this particular tutorial. So have a good day.